Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling everything needed so the draw runs smoothly. Collect your theme Raffle tickets and confirm whether they are physical stubs or digital codes. This affects handling and verification. Once done, align prize details and entry rules with the ticket layout and set the entry window and drawing time. Make sure to record serial numbers or code ranges for auditability. You do this to prevent disputes and to streamline later steps. Starting precise saves time during the draw. Now you organize entries so the selection is fair and auditable. Sort tickets into batches by theme or serial, remove any voids or duplicates to maintain integrity. Next, log each entry into a spreadsheet or Raffle platform with timestamps and linking codes. This automates counting and prevents manual errors. Once logged, verify eligibility. Confirm payment, age limits or membership status, and record contact details. Doing these checks reduces the risk of invalid winners. To conclude, perform the draw using a transparent, reproducible method, either a live manual pick on camera or an RNG that you can explain and log. Once winners are selected, notify them immediately and implement a short verification period, typically 24 to 72 hours, to confirm eligibility and contact details. After validation, reconcile winning ticket serials against your log and archive all records securely for audits. If something goes wrong, refer to your ticket log to trace and resolve discrepancies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.